This video is going to share some examples of evidence that you can use to submit with your hardship fee waiver application. You've already taken some steps towards applying for the hardship fee waiver. You have called NCTRC and spoken with a credentialing specialist. You have qualified to receive an NCTRC hardship fee waiver application. You have completed the application and you have written a detailed explanation of your hardship. But this question leaves you unsure of what to include. The question is, attach documentation to support your request. Please provide evidence that supports your description of the hardship. Understand that everyone's hardship documentation will be specific to their hardship and situation. Here are some examples that past hardship fee waiver recipients have used. A medical note from a recent appointment, a letter of employment or separation from a company, a police report, a benefit verification letter, student account or loan statements, past pay stubs, a bank account statement, a document summarizing monthly expenses, or any other official support related to your scenario. If after watching this video you are still unsure of what to submit, please call NCTRC and speak with a credentialing specialist. You can watch additional tutorials from NCTRC by following the QR code below. And as always, thank you for your continued support of NCTRC and the CTRS credential.